Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. So we are working on question number 4 for our Bus Driver Appreciation Week math work. Are you ready to begin? Let's read the question. It says, we traveled a distance of 6 miles. Convert this distance into feet. And here's a conversion factor. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. All right, so we are also for this problem using our Cubes mnemonic device to solve problems. Let's take the first look at the first one. See, it says circle the numbers. Call out some numbers for me. 6 miles right here. What else do you see? There's 1. What else do you see? 5,280. Okay. What else do you see? Nope, that's it for the numbers. We are done with step number 1. Next step is U on cubes. You underline the important words. So find some important words for me. Okay, travel. That's okay. What else do you see? Distance. What else important words do you see? Miles. What else do you see? Convert. And distance again right there. We have feet. Okay. Not these kind of feet. Not those kind of feet. These kind of feet. Okay. And what else? Mile and feet. I think we have all the key words. Okay. So we're done. Bam, done with that. The next one, box the question. So I'm glad I found that error. I went back and changed and fixed that to make sure I spelled all the words right. Box the question. Now, you know what I'm going to do? I think I got kind of confused boxing the question. I'm going to highlight to make it's like a colored box. Highlighting is like a colored box. So let's use, let me see. I hope we can see this well. All right, let's use that. What's the question? Miss Alana, I don't see a question. Don't see a question, but there's something that you have to do. What do you have to do? What does the problem want you to do? To convert. It wants you to convert this distance into feet. Okay, I think I like that, doing that better. So it's like a colored box. Instead of boxing it, which you can, I think I'd rather highlight it like that. All right, so we are done with that. Bam, done boxing the question. And eliminate unnecessary information. Not too much to eliminate. I think we're good with that. And the next thing we do is to solve and check. All right, so what operation do we need to do? Now, let's think about it first. It says that we traveled a distance of 6 miles. I'm going to draw a picture right here. So imagine 6 miles. That's 1 mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, 4 miles, 5 miles, and 6 miles. So that's 1 mile, that's another mile, all the way to 6 miles. Now, what do we need to do now? We need to convert. Now, it says here, the conversion says that 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. That means I need 5,280 of these. That's a lot of rulers. That's a lot of rulers. That's why they use miles, because that's too many rulers to measure. We need to convert it to this. We have 1 mile is the same thing as 5,280 feet. So this is the next mile. This mile is what? 5,280 feet. The next mile is 5,280 feet. 1 more mile is 5,280 feet. 1 more mile is 5,280 feet. And 1 more mile is 5,280 feet. All right, let me check that while we work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 5,280, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Oh, I think I gave you a clue. So what do we need to do? 2 ways we can solve this problem. Do you know those 2 ways? We can either add multiply. All right, so I'm going to circle that add or multiply. All right, so what are we adding? We need to add 5,280. How many times? 6 times. So we can write that 5,280, 5,280, 5,000, 280, 5,280, 3, 4, 5,280, 5,280, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we can add that, or we can do what? 5,280 times 6. Okay, so which one do you want to do? Either one. You can add this if you would like to do that, or you can multiply if you want to do it that way. I'll show you both ways, okay? So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 8 is 24, plus another 8 is 32, plus another 8 is 40, plus another 8 is 48. All right, that's a lot of adding 8. So write the 8, carry the 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 more is 8. That's 10. 12, 14, 16. Right, the 6, carry the 1. 1 plus, you know what? I'm going to wait for the 1. 5 and 5, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4. 31,680. Now let's multiply, okay? Now we should get the same answer if we did it right, okay? 6 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 8 is 48. Write the 8, carry the 4. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 4 is 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. Write the 6, carry the 1 up top. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31. 31,680. Yes! All right, now I solved and I checked it by doing both ways, so I know I got that right. There's one thing we forgot to do is write the unit. What's the unit? Convert this distance into feet. 31,680 feet. There, I am done with question number 4. I know you're done with question 4, and I hope that helped you work it out. Find the video for the next problem. We are almost there.